Before you start a business in India, you need to understand what sort of business you want to get into. To start a business in India, there are actually different types of businesses we have in India, I would say. So to begin with, sole proprietorship. This will be the perfect form of business you can register, where it's suitable for a very small start, I would say. Very less investment is required. You can also start with a very minimal amount as well. All you need is just a current account. To open a current account in the bank, you may just need some documents like identity, Aadhaar card, address proof, latest photograph, PAN details, or maybe a check from the savings account you already have. In sole proprietorship, the owner of the firm takes it all, I would say. If the business is making a profit, he doesn't need to share it. Even when there is a loss, he or she will have to bear it all alone. He becomes personally liable in case the business is debt and not able to repay. So the second type of business is partnership. When two or more people are planning to start a business, they can go for a partnership. So if you want to start a company with a capital amount needed more than you can't alone afford, then you can team up with someone. This gives you an opportunity to be part of something really bigger. So to open a partnership firm, you will again need a current account. So to open a current account for a partnership firm, the bank will require the partnership agreement and the photograph of all the partners, identity proof, as well as the address proof. Again, you need to give them office location details, PAN details of the company, and the communication details as well. It's unlike sole proprietorship, the risk is lesser, I would say. Profits and loss are equally shared. The liability is shared as well. If the company is in debt, all the partners will be equally responsible for paying that off. The next type of business is private limited. To start a business in India, which is a private limited company, many stakeholders are involved in here. Also, I would advise if you accept venture investment or get bigger loans from banks as well. Based on your company model, goods, services provided, and the outside investments involved, some companies will need to be launched as a private limited company at the start. There will be a board of directors to advise on the CEO. Well, the obligations are divided between the several stakeholders, and it is a structured method of doing business as well. Whenever more significant investments are at stake, the operation of a private limited company will require registration with the Register of Companies. In fact, you will also need a certification of incorporation. Well, the next type is the Limited Liability Partnership. The Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 enables entrepreneurs to start LLP companies, which include reduced liabilities in comparison with all private limited companies. As its name suggests, a significant change in LLP is that they are restricted obligations of spouse. So in case of a closed bankruptcy, the personal resources of the partners are not liable. This allows greater freedom and risk-taking ability for those entrepreneurs. Though the venture capital might discourage this mode of enrollment due to the limited accountability of partners involved, LLP has some functional advantages like minor paperwork, easier incorporation, smaller fees, and etc. I would say. The next type of businesses is one-person company. One-person company allows individual entrepreneurs to integrate their businesses as a separate legal entity with restricted liability. The legal and functioning standing is similar to that of LLP, and also it's an option to have one director. Even though there are more statutory compliance requirements, this form of incorporation is acceptable for individual entrepreneurs. This is more of a safer approach, I would say. When it comes to starting a business alone, or if you do not want to start a business with all these factors of risk and rather put yourself into trouble, go with one-person company.